With fall comes leaves, cooler weather, and another sporting season that has some Illinois hunters excited to get back into the field.
Our own meteorologist Adam Sherwinski joins us live in the studio. He shares us how some are getting ready for deer archery season in Illinois and how some businesses are being impacted. Adam.
Mark, Shelby, hunters are getting prepared to be back in the field or in the tree stands, but it's a busy time of year for conservation officers and even some local outdoor businesses. Hunters across the Prairie State are getting prepared for October 1st, the start of Illinois' deer archery season. Before heading into the field, Conservation Police Officer Isaac Gerard wants to remind hunters to follow regulations while searching for their game.
Required to immediately place that tag on prior to field dressing, prior to leaving the field. We see a lot of non-compliance with that.
This also includes having the correct licenses, habitat stamp, and deer and archery permits.
We see a lot of trespassing related issues, neighborly disputes about deer that are harvested and run onto the neighbor's property.
Merle Kiefer, owner of Pekin Bass and Bow and a former deer hunter himself, says while they've been busy with repairs and selling gear, they're running into a problem.
It has been really good. The biggest problem we're having is a product shortage. We have several products that we won't get for 4 to 5 months, and bow season is going to be over.
Despite how busy it gets leading up to the new season, both Kiefer and Gerard know hunters are excited.
The cool temperatures we had last week, 50-some degrees in the mornings, we started to see people get amped up about going out, a lot more scouting going on.
They are ready. We have had good reports so far. We've had some of the hunters have their cameras out and they're showing us some nice pictures.
During bow season, hunters can use recurve, long, compound, and crossbows that meet certain specifications. There are a lot of other regulations that hunters need to be aware of. For a list of regulations and rules, visit the Illinois Department of Natural Resources website. We have a link to that on archery season coming at ciproud.com. Back to you.